Guys, today we're gonna see what happens if you cook a cookie in a microwave. So, you'll see that now. I was cooking meatloaf, or I was eating meatloaf up. We're gonna take...
Yeah, so I was just cooking my regular cookies in here, and they're pretty melty, so...
We got a cookie. Now we're gonna grab a paper towel. And now, it's a lot later, so I'm not very hyped.
You just came back from football.
Yeah, that too. Alright. Oh. Alright.
Now we wait.
I'm just gonna edit all this out. I feel so bad for you guys. I feel like my 30-minute video wouldn't be 30 steps and in my face. I'll hate it. I feel like my 30-minute video. Maddie, don't keep me over the cookie.
Oh yeah, we should have a little time after the cookie.
Alright, so it's...
The paper towel keeps getting in the way.
What the
And
heck?
you're in the reflection.
Oh. Alright, let's see what 30 seconds
It's
did
done.
to it. Oh. Looks like an alien. Ooh. Alright, let's throw it in for another 30. Why not? I'm keeping that in.
Whoa, look at me again. What is that? What is that? Oh, it's off.
Oh, I think it's burning now. Oh, it's burning. That cookie has doubled its size, Maddie. It's giant. It's literally giant. It's focusing into the dots.
I know, it won't focus.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it's kind of burnt. Let me see the camera. That is disgusting. I think it. Oh, you know what? It's the chocolate. Oh, we gotta throw it in for another like 10. I was wrong.
You think?
All right. So now, all right. If it doesn't set on fire, the video's ending. It smells so burnt. Like, you ever smell burnt popcorn? Oh God, I think it's gonna explode. Maddie, it's bubbling.
Stop it!
The cookie's smoking.
Get out.
The cookie's smoking. Come on, baby. No. Oh God, it smells like burnt popcorn. Oh my God, it's burnt. It is burnt. It is burnt.
Oh, that's popcorn.
I know. I'm just gonna tell Mom that I burnt popcorn. Oh.
How about Dad?
It's not even cooked yet. It's still not even cooked. Alright, I had to stop it because it could have caught.
Watch that door.
It literally could have caught paper towel on fire. So I had to stop it. Hey, pugs. Daily dose of pugs. Daily dose of pugs. Oh. I don't know if you can see that, but it's still smoking. See? Oh, and it's not like no vapor. Oh, that's hard. That's what she said. Alright. Oh, I poke it. Oh, I like poke it and it smokes more. Oh, okay. I think it's warm enough. Oh, it's stuck to the paper towel. Oh, it's stuck out. Oh. 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 So that was under the cookie. And the kitchen is a little bit smoky, but this is the cookie now. It's smoking still, obviously. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, that chocolate is hot. Ow, 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 ow. So even on the not burnt part on top, now let's give it a little taste test. Dude, it looks like a brownie. Literally looks like a brownie. So, cookies. Maddie, your cookies!
Cookies.
I was examining it, Ow, the chocolate burns a lot.
Ah, shut up!
Wait, look at them first. Because you know they're going to have to set.
Oh, that's fine.
Like to take out?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, take them out. Ding,
I don't want to hurt myself again.
ding. What the heck is this? Can I please? Don't. Fine, I'll take the cookies out. I'll take the cookies out. But you have to stay in here and record it.
Cookies out first.
Go ahead.
Stop. Take them out.
I don't think those are done.
Take them out. We have to let them set.
Yeah, I know, but I still don't think these are done.
Put them on the thing.
Actually, you're right. They're done. Oh, Mom, I can poop.
Don't touch
You
him.
know why. Alright, so
I think-
pour me.
The microwave too.
No, the popcorn burnt. Don't worry, Dad. We got it situated. Alright, so right now, should I do a taste test?
No, Quinn, I don't want to be a part of this.
You're not. I'll take like blame like I always do.
No, put.
I'm probably covering the view. Alright, so it literally looks like a brownie. If a brownie could be burnt, this is what. More milk.